Hi guys, today let's unbox and review this Alienware Aurora R13. Alright, let's take a look what's in this box. Alright, so we have a keyboard here. I think this is one of the office kind of keyboard. I don't think we need it. And then we have a mouse too. We don't need that. And menus and warranty card all over the place. And also we have a power cable. And we do have another box that comes with the PC. And let's open it. So this is the back cover, or so-called the cable cover. And I will show you guys what is this for. And now let's undress her. And now let's put on this bad boy. Perfect. Man, this is beautiful. Especially the side panel now, we can see through, and all the components, it's in front of our eye. And plus the RGB effect, this is just amazing. Even though this is not made by glass, but it does the job. Well done, Alienware. And the back cover is the plus. You can order it with your PC, and the purpose of it is to hide all the messy cables behind your PC, which makes your PC looks more amazing and well organized. And this is the first preview PC that actually comes with a cable management outside the case. And the front panel is more amazingly well done than the previous Aurora system. And now they have this clear look plastic all around the front with a nice structure behind it and make it very three-dimensional looks. And plus, instead of pulling all the I/O in the middle, now they put all the I/Os to the side. The case is made by plastic with the matte finishing, and the lunar light is really good to match all other lunar light devices. And the height of this PC is 20.25, and the deep is 21.25, and the width of the PC is 8.25. And the case of the R13 is surely bigger than the R12 and the R11. And to give you guys a better comparison, I have put my R12 next to our R13. And as you guys can see, the R13 is slightly bigger than the R12 for sure. Even I removed the back cover for the R13, it is still bigger than the R12. And now let's take a look at the I/O behind the case. Here we have two digital output, and these are all for the speakers, the side surround output, the rear surround output, and the center subwoofer. And we got our microphone, and link out and link in. And here we have two USB 2.0, and we have two USB Type-C. One is Gen 2 and one is Gen 2 by 2. And on this side, we have two USB 3.2 Gen 1. And on the bottom, we have another two USB 2.0. And this is where our Ethernet cable goes. And for the PCI, we have one HDMI and three DisplayPort. And the I/Os on the front, we have one for the headphones, which is the link out, and one USB 3.2 Gen 1, and another USB 3.2 Gen 1. And also we have USB Type-C Gen 2 with power share. And now let's take a look what we have inside the PC. And to get access to the PC, it's really simple. All we need to do is loose this screw right here. And we can't actually remove it because Alienware thought we might lose it. So just loose like this. And now all we need to do is pull this tab, and the side panel is gonna pop open. And let's remove this. And now we got access to the PC. And for this particular build that we got, it features the 12th gen i7 12700KF. And for the GPU, we got the RTX 3080 LHR. It's gonna limit the mining on this PC, but the LHR has no effect on gaming. And for the RAM, we got the 32GB 4400 MHz, which is the DDR5 dual channel. And the storage, we only have a single 1TB M2 SSD. And this is our killer Wi-Fi card. And for the power supply, we can only go up to 750 watts. which is the one right here. And the cooling system is much better than the previous Auroras too. And for the outtake, we have one 120 fan that blew the air to the back. And in the front case, another two 120mm fans for the intake. And also we have another 120mm fan for the outtake on the top of the case. And overall guys, this chassis is definitely much better than all the Aurora system, which give us a lot of room for upgrade. So for the RAM, definitely we're gonna upgrade to a RGB one. And the storage, we can add a 2.5, 3.5, and also another M.2 SSD. And the CPU, we can definitely upgrade to an i9. And the GPU guys, since there's a lot of room in the chassis, now we can upgrade it to a full-size RTX 3080, 3080 Ti, or 3090. And for the power supply, we may be able to get a 1000 watts in there, but I need to do a lot of research on that, and I'll keep you guys updated. And now let's put back the cover and turn it on, see how it goes. Okay guys, so when you first turn on the PC, the only RGB effect is the Alienware head. And once we open the Alienware command center and upgrade it, all our RGB is lighting up. Look at this. And now let's see what we can do for those RGB lights. So inside the Alienware command center, as you guys can see, we can change the power button. We can change the rain. We can change the night structure behind the front panel. We can change the word Alienware. We can change the internal effect. We can change the fan. We can change the liquid cooled. And also we can change the Alienware head on the liquid cooled. And I do wish that we can change the GeForce RTX on the graphic cards. That would be pretty sick. And also here are some presets like morph, pause, and breathing. And the spectrum. And rainbow wave, which is my favorite. And also you got a default blue that came with the factory. Actually, I'm gonna stay with spectrum. That one looks pretty sick. And now let me get some game running and to share with you guys the noise level, the temperatures, and also the performance. And guys, with everything on Ultra 2K, we are getting pretty good FPS. And also the CPU temperature and the GPU temperature is around 70s. That is also amazing. And the noise level is kinda okay for me. Let me give you guys a better idea of how the noise sounds like. So as you guys can see, the noise level is around 43 to 45 something. And I'll say that is pretty good. Overall guys, I think the Alienware Aurora R13 is definitely a good choice to buy. Now let's go to the Video League giveaway. Let's see who is the lucky guy. Ding, 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 ding. Congratulations! OMG, it's insane! Woohoo! Thank you for watching,